So if you're having problem with the ShadowPlay recordings here, lagging and stuttering, there's a couple of fixes here I'll show you. First, you just need to go to the instant replay, click on it and go to settings and choose the settings to custom here and change the bitrate here and see if the problem is stopped here. So it's just to lower the bitrate here as your PC settings and see if this works. And if this doesn't work, also choose the 60 FPS to 30 FPS. And it's not, if you have a low-end PC, just choose the 720p HD or 180p HD. So if you have a low-end PC, this will not work for you. So you need to upgrade your PC. But still, if you have lagging and stuttering, if you have a big PC, just change the bitrate here, bitrate here, and change the resolution and change the FPS also will. And if this doesn't work, there's another method. You need to save your game and the recordings folder and the game folders in a different tier. So for me, I had choose the recordings to save in the C folder and my games in the F folder here. So you just need to press Alt J there and go to settings here. And it's about the recordings, as you can see, and you can change the recordings folders. So I need to change the recording folders, different path here. So my recordings in the C folder here, you can choose the settings from here. I can choose what folder you want. And you need to install your game in a different folder here. So I say if this helps for you. So that's it, guys. This is how you can fix your problem in the ShadowPlay recordings. If you found this very helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.